I'm heading over to the grocery store right now. I wanted to show you guys two different types of ribs. We're gonna cook one of my favorite, which is a soy sauce, garlic, jalapeno. Then we're also gonna sous vide some ribs. If you guys don't know what sous vide is, it's a method of cooking where you place items inside of a bag, you vacuum seal it, and you submerge it under water. And then there's a machine that usually keeps water at a certain temperature, and then you can cook it in that temperature for however long you want. Today we're actually going to cook you guys two different types of ribs. One of them is a faster method. The other way will be cooking it sous vide, and doing it sous vide makes the ribs super tender. And then I'll probably pick up some vegetables, make a salad, or we can do some grilled veggies. I'm not too sure yet what we're gonna do, but we'll sous vide some ribs right now. Alright, so we just bought all of this stuff. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then you guys can guess down below in the comments how much you think it is. Alright, now how much do you guys think all of this turned out to be? So we just got all of that at Aldi for an even $77. That's crazy. Aldi's pretty cool. It's all private labeled stuff. I know in Southern California it's recently just popped up in the last like couple of years. But it's pretty cool. You save a lot of money doing it this way. You guys just saw we got all of those groceries for $77. Let's get back home. Let's go ahead and get back home. We'll unload the car. We'll show you a little life hack that I learned on TikTok about unloading the car. It's kind of cool. So we typically do have reusable bags like this. Let me show you. You know, like this, or like these. But we saw this life hack. Check this out. It's a laundry basket. That was so easy. I have Jordan here. Whoa, check it out, Jordan. Let me go this side. All right, Jordan, what are you gonna be doing? Tell the camera.
We're going seasoning.
All right, so look at, let's show them the seasoning. So this is 21 Seasoning Salute. So this has a lot of different ingredients. I'll let you guys read it there. But normally it's just salt and pepper, because we're gonna put barbecue sauce, but I want a little bit more flavor. So I'm gonna have Jordan put on this 21 Salute here. Nice, take a look at that, guys. Jordan, do you see it? And then, can you hold the camera for me? Are you recording it? Mm-hmm. Oh, check it out, guys. Jordan's recording it. And we'll pat it down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Uh-huh. Nice. And then we'll flip it around. Nice. And season it. It smells really good. How does that smell? Not the camera. But normally what we do is we put them in a Ziploc bag, but since this rib is so huge, we're gonna put them in these bags. These are food grade bags that you can put them into. And if you don't have a vacuum sealer, I'll actually show you how to do it without a vacuum sealer. But this is how we do it. So we'll take this, we'll throw it into this huge bag here. So now you guys can see it's in the bag like this now, right? We're gonna submerge the whole thing under water to get as much air out as possible. So you don't need a vacuum sealer. All you need is a big thing of water. And what you're gonna do is you place the meat in like this. And what it'll do is it's gonna force out all of that air. And it creates like a mini vacuum seal. So see how the meat now sinks to the bottom of the water there? It's because it's forced out all of that air out of the bag. Honestly, you probably don't even have to seal this part if you don't want to. I'm probably not going to either. I'm just gonna take like a paper clip right here and then just paper clip it and call it a day. What are you waiting for? The water to get hot. We have it set up here outside. As you can see here,
Can you walk on water?
No, I wish. That'd be kind of cool. All right, guys. So an important thing is to make sure that the ribs are completely underwater. So you can see here, the whole rack of ribs here are sealed inside the bag and it's underneath the water. So that's what sous videing is. It's underwater and there's this circulator, but I set it to 165 because I only want to cook it for like 5 or 6 hours. You can cook this at a lower temperature at like 130 if you want, for like a day to 2 days, and it'd be like super tender. This will actually circulate the water inside, so the water's moving inside, and it's gonna heat up to 165 degrees, and it's gonna cook the meat in here. So we're gonna leave it in here for like 6 to 7 hours, and it'll cook inside the bag. And then afterwards, we'll finish it with some barbecue sauce. But yeah, that's sous vide cooking. We'll come back to this one once it's done cooking. We should go bike riding. Ooh.
Yeah.
All right, let's go bike riding. We're taking a quick little trip to the, what's it called? Fermentation vacation? What?
Fermentation farm.
A fermentation farm. So this place is pretty cool. They do, they have a bunch of fermented stuff like yogurts. What else do they have? Natto, kombucha. So they do a lot of fermentation, obviously. But it's pretty cool. We've tried some of their products. We had, what was it, a coconut lime yogurt or something? It was a Ziggy yogurt. It's in Costa Mesa. It's about 15-20 minutes away. It's not too bad, just down the street. So we'll go check out what they have. We're at the Fermentation farm. The Fermentation farm. Oh, nice. I got some.
They have them?
Yeah. Coconut zingy yogurt. Coconut focus. Which one are you going to try? Get it. Nice. Raspberry kombucha. You can hold on to it. Just don't drop it.
Whoa!
Whoa! Alright guys, so we just wrapped up doing a Crunch Bros mukbang. So make sure you guys go check out the Crunch Bros. We have that mukbang on there of what we just cooked. So make sure you guys go check it out. How was it?
Good.
Was it good? Oh, I'm so full. Look at this stomach. All right, guys.
Look at my stomach.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, so that was how we cook sous vide ribs.
Yeah.
So that's how we do a little cooking in the house here. You know, we use different types of gadgets. Let us know down in the comments what you guys want to see next, okay? Crunch Mom helped out. She was in the background a lot. She was on the camera for a lot of it. But make sure you guys do leave a comment. Make sure you guys hit that like button and let us know. Let us know down in the comments. What else do you guys want to see? If you guys want something specifically cooked, let us know. If I can't do it, Crunch Mom can do it. All right, we'll see you guys later.
Crunch Bros.
We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Whoa. Okay, let's go.